So, for weeks now, I have been plagued with my rear mech not working properly. However, I try to index it. It just does not seem to shift as well, or as well as before. So, if the indexing is not working, usually the prime suspect would be either the cable or the cable housing. This was the old one that's in here. It's like this. Yep. Apparently, inside of the cable is it's a little rusty. As a remedy, I placed the chain lube in it, or light grease, lithium grease, but unfortunately, yeah, the cable inside. Oh, see, it's having a real hard time moving inside. So that should be the reason why my shifter is not working, or not in sync, or my derailleur is not working properly with the shifter. So got out and bought this bad boy. It's a Shimano SIS, 35 pesos in Gold Speed, Sumulong Highway near Robinson Antipolo for 35 pesos. So all I have to do is make sure I have the right length and cut it to the proper length, and go from there. Okay, so to get the proper length, I'd use the same the old cable as a reference, and get to where it should be. The cutting technique is ideal because you do not want to press on the cable too much. Okay, now what will happen is that you can see that it's a little bit close from here, but good thing that the cable that I bought is pre-lubricated inside, and it does not round up too much. With the length, with the cable cut to the ideal length, it's just a matter of putting it back. Again, the inside of the case is lubricated. It's lubricated with heavy grease. It's right there. It smells like lithium, but hey, I'm about to find out if it performs as well as the right lithium grease. New cable in. This definitely needs indexing, and to index that, I made a video previously, so check out the link. Alright, so I hope this has been informative. Till next time, bye.